Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a fun design team project that I've created for ASC Craft Supplies. I've made this beautiful slimline mini album. The paper collection that I use is by Chauncey called Farmhouse Garden. This is filled with beautiful sunflowers, adorable kitties and puppies. To make the album base, I used Photoplay's Folio 3. This is an interactive album kit, which includes flips, folds, pockets, and waterfalls, and it's also using a very heavy cardstock. All you have to do is glue the pieces together, and then you can customize the album as you wish. Both the Chauncey paper collection and the Photoplay Folio 3 are available at ASC Craft Supplies. You can visit them online or on their Etsy store. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. Last but not least, don't forget to visit the ASC Craft Supplies VIP group on Facebook. This group is filled with very talented crafters and you will never be short of inspiration. Although this is a slimline, it holds up to 44 photos. In today's video, I'm going to do a detailed review of this slimline mini album. I'm going to adjust my camera so that we can take a closer look. I love the way this mini album turned out. This measures 8.5 inches by 4.5 inches, and the spine is 1 3/4. On the top and the bottom, I've included these dimensional corners. I created these using my Anna Griffin corner cut and embossed die, and I further embellished it with this filigree metal piece in antique gold, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. I've included these 3 beautiful sunflowers, and on either side, I flanked it with this jute ribbon and a leopard print gem here and here. In the center, we have a sentiment from the paper collection, "Life is better in the garden." And when I open the book, you'll see an explosion of beautiful sunflowers. On the spine, I've included this printed pattern. I think this is so pretty. And this is the back. In the center here, I've included this little tag here, and in the space, I'm going to include my information. On the side, I've included a double ribbon closure in this dark brown, which I think complements the paper collection quite nicely. So let's open this up. This is the first page, and I've added these beautiful embossed corner pieces. Again, this is from my Anna Griffin corner cut and embossed dies. I wanted to give it a bit more textured and worn look, so I used my Tim Holtz Distressed Ink in Vintage Photo. So on the back of this page, I've included a photo spot. You can glue a photo here or just tuck it behind this area. Now this area I've included is for journaling. And then we have this adorable puppy holding a sunflower. I love the little paw print surrounding it. And then on the back, each of the inserts and tags have the craft cardstock. So all you have to do is attach a photo. On the next page, we have this beautiful layout, and if you look, you can see these tiny little puppies in a basket, and this is perfect for journaling, or you can simply add a photo. Again, no glue is required. All you have to do is attach it in these corners, just like so. On the back side, we have another little tuck spot here, and I've created these tags. This tag can be also used for journaling in the white space here, and I've included these fun bows. This is also created from an Anna Griffin bow die set, and I've used glossy accents as the center. I really wanted to include a pearl, however that would have added too much dimension and I would not have been able to close the book. So these glossy accents work perfectly. And on the back, we have the plain cardstock And then all you have to do is stick this tag in your photo behind this tuck area. Here we have another page for either a 4x6 or 2 smaller photos. On the back we have another beautiful tag, Life is Better in the Garden. We have another little journaling area here. Here we have this cute little dog sleeping in front of the fence. We have another little journaling area here and this adorable little puppy. What I love about this paper collection is not only the beautiful, vibrant sunflowers, but also it's filled with adorable puppies and kittens. And this is the back. On the next page, we have another journaling area, or you could just add a photo. On the next page, we have this beautiful tag. You can use this space here for journaling. You would just use a white pen. And this is the last page. So this closes like so, and you've got a magnetic closure. And on the right hand side, we have this adorable little page. Look at these beautiful, vibrant sunflowers. They look like they're jumping off the page. And this adorable little puppy dog. On the inside of the cover, I have these 2 smaller photo mats. Now, because this is a slimline mini album, I did want to maximize the amount of photos and journaling that I could include. This mini album holds approximately 44 photos. In this section, there are 2 different booklets, and this is a cover of the first booklet. I've included this area here for journaling. On the next page, we have this beautiful layout. Now, this is one 8x8 page. In fact, I used 8x8 paper for the entire mini album, with the exception of the front and back covers. On this page, we have this beautiful sign that says Farmer's Market, and it's flanked with these gorgeous sunflowers. And you have this little kitty here on the bottom. The paper is so beautiful, I really had a hard time covering it up. And I've included a smaller photo mat right here. On the right side, we have the other half of the 8x8 paper, and I've created a pocket, and I've also included these tags. You've got another area here for journaling. On the next page, we have these stacked double photo mats. Now, I did not cover the inside of the photo mats because when you include your photo, you're either going to cover this entire space or you will have a small border with this craft cardstock, which is prevalent throughout the mini album. Here we have a long side pocket, and inside we have these little small tickets here. I love this orange gingham paper. This is the back page of the first pocket, and here we have another little puppy dog, and I've just included an area for journaling. Now, this is the back of the second booklet, and here we have more sunflowers and a large journaling area, or you could simply include a large photo here. Here we have more stacked double photo mats. Here we have another side pocket, and I think these images are so adorable, and inside I have more tags. This is the next page, and I think this little kitty cat playing with the yarn is so adorable. So we've got another tag here, an area for journaling, and then another small photo mat here. And this is the front cover of this second booklet. Here we have a double photo mat. Here you can see a spread of the inside top cover and the center area here. So here you can hold 4 individual photos. To close the book, you close the right side first, the left side. Fold the top flap down and the bottom flap up, which has a magnetic closure. As you can see, this slimline mini album is a wonderful way to display your family memories with tons of areas for photos and journaling. This concludes my review of my Farmhouse Garden Slimline mini album. Please be sure to watch my next video for a step-by-step tutorial on how to assemble and decorate the mini album. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a message, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.